Well, hey now, Cosmic Moustache, Moustache, Moustache. Chaos on the court. Get your nachos and your diet soda pop. Game number 8 is gonna be a rip-roaring race to the basket. We've got the savage, snorting, sword-slashing Ninja-Minotaur. Well, he's charging to the basket against the high-flying, fly-eating Stunt-Frog. Stunt-Frog has challenged Ninja-Minotaur to a hoop game with high octane. This is gonna be a motorbike race to the goal. This has got to be the first time Ninja-Minotaur ever even rode a motorbike. But I hear he's colorblind, and unfortunately for his opponent, he only sees red, and they are off. What in the... How is it even possible that Ninja-Minotaur is already lost in a labyrinth, and Stunt-Frog is speeding on down the treacherous trail? Ninja-Minotaur has broken through the wall of the labyrinth, and this is a close race again. Woo dog! It's a double axle ankle breaker. Wait now, Stunt-Frog has buckled up into a dangerous looking rocket sled. Oh no, slow it down! Crack! Shoo-wee, they should have called this one Crash on the Court. Pieces of Stunt-Frog as well as pieces of the basketball are raining down and falling through the basket. He's okay, folks. That's a crazy, cringe-worthy victory for the Stunt-Frog. He's moving on. How do I now?